The fashion industry is constantly changing, constantly moving, and it's important for our students to be as agile and as adaptive as the industry demands. The fashion program at Marist gives students the opportunity to learn, experience, and understand in a holistic way the art and commerce of the fashion industry. The fashion program features a comprehensive curriculum leading to a Bachelor of Science degree for fashion merchandising or a Bachelor of Fine Arts degree for fashion design. The fashion merchandising major concentrates on the planning, procurement, and marketing aspects of the fashion business. Students learn to research target markets, analyze business results, and develop strategies that effectively meet the needs of the consumers. Fashion merchandising majors may opt for one or more concentrations: business, product development, or fashion promotion. Merchandising students create an in-depth project in collaboration with a major fashion company. They have the opportunity to work with Emporium, an entrepreneurial boutique operated by Marist fashion merchandising students, as well as to produce the Silver Needle Fashion Show. The fashion design major trains students to design and create apparel for various markets, considering creative, trend, target customer, technical, and production factors. Students develop skills in design, textiles, draping, flat pattern making, garment construction, and computer-aided design. Fashion design majors may opt for a minor in product development or merchandising. Students create a professional portfolio. They also design and execute an apparel collection under the guidance of a professional designer to be shown at the school's annual Silver Needle Fashion Show. All students have the opportunity to intern in the real world while receiving credit towards their degree. We also encourage our students to study abroad with one of our international academic partners. Our students also have the opportunity to compete in fashion industry competitions. We believe that real-world experiences and experiencing the world will help our students to grow and learn in unexpected and surprising ways and better prepare them for a full life and career. We are proud that our students go on to work with some of the biggest names in the fashion and retail world. This well-rounded liberal arts education, alongside this very specialized focus education, prepares the student for a career in the industry in ways that they would never have considered.